Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by securing the originals. Copy Mugen. CFG and system files to a backup folder. Once done, open Mugen. CFG and the system A, CFG in a plain text editor so you can change values precisely. You want to confirm current width, height, and aspect ratio now because those values determine sprite scaling and HUD layout. Make the first practical changes to width and height fields, then save a test file named Mugen test. CFG to avoid breaking your main configuration. Now edit the numeric fields for width and height, set full screen equals 0 for windowed tests, then toggle back later. You must also inspect rendering flags, scale, allow stretch, and aspect correction, so sprites don't stretch oddly. Once you change resolution, check character sprites and stage backgrounds. Many need adjusted coords or scaled bitmaps. Make incremental tests. Launch with Mugen test. CFG, note misaligned HUD elements, then correct sprite offsets or supply higher resolution assets to preserve visual fidelity. Finish by replacing the original Mugen. CFG only after several successful launches with your test config. You should also clear caches or temporary folders if scaling artifacts persist. If you encounter a black screen, flicker, or crashing, switch the renderer option or try full screen versus windowed. One often works when the other fails. Lastly, consult the runtime log for sprite or script errors. If problems continue, restore your backup and reapply changes step by step to isolate the culprit.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.